September, so you might expect it to turn more autumnal. I think that might well be the case, but it looks like a fairly benevolent week ahead. Nothing too bad of anything, except maybe the sunshine. Now, we are going to be stuck between the Azores high and this Norwegian low for most of the week. The low will be replaced by other tracks, but that's basically the position. So this high then extends across Ireland, England, Scotland and Wales, but never really takes the full influence with it. So always it's going to be windier, and for most of us I think cloudy, because the air tends to track around from the central Atlantic along the top of the high and then fall down. That means it's not a cold flow, but often very cloudy. So in general, expect more of the same for the last 2 days. Often cloudy, largely dry, nuisance value rain. Some heavy spells of rain, I think, in showers in the early part. We'll come to that in just a second. The wind then, as I say, always stronger in the north and orange in colour. The source is quite warm. But briefly then, late Monday and Tuesday, we get a cold blast. Now for eastern Scotland and eastern England, that could be pretty nasty. Might even leave behind cold air for a touch of frost in the glens of Scotland, maybe Monday night or Tuesday night. But nothing more than that. I mean, the temperatures, if anything, after a dip to below average values by Tuesday, start to rise again, and we could even see it quite warm, at least for England and Wales, by the later part of the week. This afternoon, though, England and Wales stays cloudy. The replacement weather, pushing slowly south for tomorrow, will be showery, with a little sunshine in between. Not a lot, but the air's quite warm. We can still see 22 in London this afternoon, that's 72 Fahrenheit, and about 19, shall we say, in Dundee, in a bit of sunshine. But late tomorrow, this low really develops, and we end up with unpleasant weather by the time we get to Tuesday. So the showers will start getting frequent in northeastern Scotland and heavy. The cloud will slowly break through England, but don't expect a lot of sunshine during tomorrow, maybe a touch down as far as temperatures are concerned, because Tuesday doesn't look particularly pleasant for the eastern side of the whole of the British Isles. For the west, with maybe the exception of Northern Ireland, it looks fairly sunny and relatively warm, and that could well be the coldest of all the days. 17, for example, it's only 63 Fahrenheit, and these showers could be heavy. But then we go into Wednesday, and the high tries to extend in. This looks like another nuisance value front. There could be a bit of useful rain on it for Scotland, and it will slowly push south through England and Wales. But once that's out of the way, the Azores influence takes over. It slowly warms up, though.